This is exercise 5 from the Cut Extrudes and Construction Geometry lesson. Exercise 5 again begins with some base geometry completed for us. So let's go ahead and save this part as in our own working directory. And once we've renamed that to exercise 5 with your own name, you can select save. Now, the first step is we're going to add a cut to the top surface of this part. So select that top surface and select Sketch. Then we'll select Normal to, and we'll select the Circle command. We're going to select a circle that's concentric with the other circle. Select D for Smart Dimension, and add a dimension of 2 inches to our new circle. We'll conclude this by adding a feature that's a cut extrude with a through all end condition, and accept. The next cut we're going to add is to the top of the tab, so let's select that tab and select Sketch. We'll then select Normal to and select the Circle command. Let's draw a circle on that tab and select Escape. Now we want this circle to be vertical with the origin, so select the origin and select the center point of the circle, holding Control down, and then we can add a vertical relationship. It is important to note that vertical is always the longer of the 2 red arrows, and that is quite a trick because oftentimes your model could be rotated 90 degrees, and now vertical appears to be horizontal. It's a bit of a interesting thing to get used to, but I thought I'd better throw that in there. Anyway, with that stuck vertical, we can see that it doesn't move up and down, it just moves quote-unquote vertically. We can add our smart dimensions to define the diameter to 3/4 of an inch, and we're going to dimension the distance from the outer edge to 1 inch. Let's now select Features and select Cut Extrude, and again we'll select Through All. This does a very good job of showing what Through All does because it goes right to the bottom of our geometry. Now had we wanted to, we could have included both those cuts in the same extrude. However, I thought I'd just make a little more work for you. Anyway, let's double check and see how our relationships worked. If I drag the distance of that tab, we're maintaining the relationship of having the circle centered, and we've also decided that we wanted the circle dimensioned from the end of the tab as opposed to from the center point of the circle. So again, you can see the importance of properly dimensioning and relating your sketches to capture your design intent. This concludes exercise 5.